Let's learn how to crochet a snowflake step by step. Use 4-stranded cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeters hook. Start with 10 magic rings. Remove it from the finger. Make a chain. Then work a round of single crochets. Continue until fully covered. Complete the remaining parts on your own. After completing one full round, a slip stitch with the first stitch. First round completed. Now start the second round, beginning with 2 chains. After making 2 chains, work 5 unfinished double crochets. Then bring the yarn over with the hook. Pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1. This creates a bobble stitch. Next, make 4 chains. Then work a single crochet into the bobble stitch. After that, make 4 more chains. Work another single crochet into the bobble stitch. Then make 4 more chains again. Work a single crochet into the bobble stitch once more. First group completed. Repeat the same process to create 5 more groups total. Now demonstrating the second group. Start with 2 chains. Then work 5 unfinished double crochets in the ring. Bring the yarn over with the hook again. Pull through all remaining loops. Chain 1 once more. Then make 4 chains. Work a single crochet into the bobble stitch again, followed by 4 more chains. Single crochet into the bobble stitch once more. Then 4 additional chains again. Final single crochet into the bobble stitch for this group. Second group now complete. Celebrate! Complete the remaining 4 groups independently following the same method. Make 2 chains. A slip stitch with the first bobble stitch. Next, cut the yarn. Tighten. Pull the yarn to the backside. Then use a sewing needle to hide it. Now you can trim the excess yarn.